Alright, go ahead.
No, this
You
ain't
on
for
your shit.
everybody.
You on your shit.
No.
Get on your
Fuck
shit.
out of here. I'm gon' bust the gun, take a nigga out of here. I don't care, got the pistol, come where he fucking live. Hunt for his fucking head. Bitch sniper bullets going through his room, through his head, through his kids. I don't care, I'm a motherfucking savage. Only 19, I don't care if I had the advantage. I got guns that'll make the nigga vanish. Ballin' in the banquet, niggas can't understand it. I'm ballin' too, right? Niggas talking all that hype. I'm a fucking bitch, she gon' take the pipe tonight. He gon' be mad, he catchin' feelings, he wanna fight. I got the gun on me, so you know he gon' catch some lights. I ain't saying too much either. I ain't playing too much. Niggas wanna talk shit, smack them with the hand. Fuck. I'm fucking up.
We fucking up, no, we ain't fucking up. We say your luck is up, so tuck your bitch or tuck your slut. What you wanna do, bro? I come through the scene, you know I'm making my team, I'm making the green, I'm on the scene. I'm not here, I'm up top of the hemisphere. Pussy niggas never here, niggas better chill, or I beat you down and end your whole career. And I don't fear nobody, I got the big shotty. You acting stupid, I make your body a polite. You acting stupid, I slap your ass for acting polite, D. Ain't nothing to my troopers, we in the dungeon. You acting stupid, we are coming, and we the hunters. We gotta come through and stunt ya. We'll pluck you, fuck your bitch up. You know, we don't give a fuck, bro. Do it for the scene, no, I do it for my green. And I gotta go hard, cause I got a whole team, and we got a whole squad, and we stay like brothers. And I'm like, fuck you for life, pussy, you not none other. I am the most gutter. I'm in the back trenches with the bitches, and I got plenty rubbers, but I got protection, 2 pistols in the air. Yeah,